The National Testing Agency has released the CUET Admit Card 2022 Phase 1 for CUET UG Entrance Test on its official website. Candidates who have successfully submitted the application form can download the CUET 2022 Admit Card by using their registered email ID and password in the CUET login window. The CUET exam 2022 will be conducted from July 15 to August 20. Applicants should check out this video to know the step-by-step procedure on how to download the Admit Card. Steps to download the CUET Admit Card 2022. Visit the official website of NTA, cuet.samarth.ac.in. Click on the Sign In tab. A login window will open up. Enter the application number, password, and security code. Click on the Login tab. Now, click on the Download or Print Admit Card option. The CUET Admit Card will be displayed on the screen. Download and print out a few copies of the Admit Card for future references.